You're looking over this Jaguar XK8 seat, and to the untrained professional, it looks absolutely fantastic. We obviously can see we've got a small amount of damage here on this particular bolster, but when we actually start looking more closely at this seat, and you sort of start looking around, and it's only when we start sort of zooming in that you can actually see the problems with the cracking. And this is purely and simply down to the fact that you have not protected your seats properly in the first place. And this is why it is essential that you protect your seats. Just look at that crack in there. Now, a lot of people would look at that and think this is dirt in the grain and start scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing with a leather cleaner to try to remove that dirt, when in fact you are actually dealing with severe cracking. But to the trained eye, looking at that seat, it looks fine. You can just sort of see here, it almost looks like dirt in the grain, as you can here and here, and it just all looks like dirt. But when you zoom in, you can actually see the cracking, and that's what you're dealing with. And this is why you should train with professionals who know what they're talking about and know how to deal with issues like this. But you can see all the severe cracking on here, which just looks like dirt, and that's all they look like. It just looks like dirt, but they're actually not. You know, you look at that and you think, oh, that looks all dirty, I'm going to scrub away in the grain. You get in with the proper equipment and you can clearly see that it is actually cracking in the leather itself. This is why it's essential that you train with the correct people, with the correct knowledge, to ensure your business is a complete success from day one. And that is what you get with a seat that just looks like that looks quite normal, but in fact, it's far from normal. Leatherrepaircompany.com, the professionals in leather.